Welcome to the Smart Smoke Alarm MA151 installation and use tutorial video. The front of the Meross smoke alarm is equipped with an LED, a buzzer, an insect-proof net with a 0.7 mm aperture, and a full front test and mute button. The back features a mounting plate, replaceable batteries, and a tamper button. Power your hub using the adapter and power cable provided in the package. Open your Meross app and locate the device edition page. Then follow the installation guide on Meross app to complete the device setup. Pairing the hub successfully. Now follow this step to pair your device with HomeKit. Meross app setup is completed. The device will be synced to the Home app automatically. After completing the hub pairing, proceed to pair the smoke alarm. Double-click the button to start pairing. Once in pairing mode, the LED indicator will flash green. Open the base, remove the battery isolation tab, and install the battery correctly. A single green flash signals the device is ready to use. Press the button 3 times while the smoke alarm is in normal mode to begin pairing. After pairing with the hub, the smoke alarm's light stops flashing. Pairing the smoke alarm successfully. Before installing the Meross Smart Smoke Alarm, conduct a communication distance test with the hub to prevent post-installation communication failures. Place the smoke alarm at the desired location, then press and hold the tamper button for over 1.5 seconds. If the indicator light flashes green 3 times and emits a beep, it's ready for installation. However, if the indicator light flashes amber 3 times with 3 beeps, it indicates a communication failure. In such cases, adjust the smoke alarm's position or relocate the hub until communication succeeds. Once the communication test is completed, you can proceed with the smoke alarm installation. Clean the mounting plate and apply the double-sided tape to the designated square. Press firmly for 1 minute. Then, affix the tape to the specified location and press for 1 minute to ensure a secure bond. Due to the weight of the smoke alarm, wait 24 hours before mounting it onto the plate to allow the tape to be fully set. Position the mounting plate at the needed installation point, then mark the mounting plate's holes using a pencil. Using an electric drill, create 2 holes at the marked points with a diameter of 5 mm. Insert the plastic plugs into these holes using a hammer. Securely attach the mounting plate to the plastic plugs, then tighten the screws into the plugs. After completing the above steps, align the alarm's indicator light with the arrow marking on the mounting plate. Rotate the alarm clockwise to securely lock it in position. When the smoke alarm triggers, you'll receive alert notifications via banners and in-app pop-ups. For a single device, you can easily silence the alarm with 1 click. For multiple devices, you can either silence linked alarms, keep the source alarm active for locating, or mute all alarms with 1 click. The Meross Smart Smoke Alarm MA151 series can trigger linked alarms with other MA151 devices in the home, even if the hub loses power. Smart Smoke Alarms offer 3 testing methods. 1. Manual test. Press and hold the top cover for 1 second to manually trigger the test. 2. App test. In the Meross app, locate the device and tap the test button. 3. Automatic test. Set up a weekly scheduled test function in the device settings page of the Meross app. With automation features, the smoke alarm can trigger designated lights to flash red and disconnect household plugs, boosting alertness and safety. Press and hold the anti-tamper button while inserting batteries into the smoke alarm. The LED will flash briefly, then turn off. Once off, release the button to complete the factory reset. To pair a device with a new hub, reset the smart smoke alarm first. Press the button 3 times while the smoke alarm is in normal mode to begin pairing. That's all there is to the tutorial. Enjoy using it.